Hey guys, let's continue with the Star Wars theme. And here is that introduction that's classic to Star Wars Creator that you can test out. For this one, I want you to open up Screencastify and actually record your final project of this with you reading it off of the screen and explaining it. You can add it into Adobe Spark if you want to edit it even more. But your idea is to come in and create your own introduction to Star Wars. So you notice, excuse me, there's boxes here, and I've edited all of this. Some of it I kept and some of it I just like reworded it, whatever you want. You can center the text or not center the text, whatever works best for you. Once you're done, you're going to click the play button. This makes sure that once you click play that you are recording your screen so you can get this video with you in it. If you want to be creepy like I am, record it in the dark. So Gateway Middle School. And you'll notice, you're not going to talk like I'm talking here, but you'll notice this going up the screen. And as it goes up the screen, it would be great if you read it off the screen, or you did something fun in the corner, or you can even do like, some sort of explanation of this. But make sure you use Screencastify to record this part of your episode. So episode 20, the year of quarantine. Children are at home. Learning has been formed into a mysterious online broadcast. A threat of COVID-19 lurks in the air. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Wear a mask. Principal Wojcik and Assistant Principal Amspoker dispatch teachers to gather intelligence from their students, while DeWine, the last hope of Ohio, trains for battle against the diabolical virus. Meanwhile, Supreme Leader Dr. Kramer rages in search of best practices in remote learning. Opportunities determined to destroy any threat to his district. So all of that is super fun. Hopefully you enjoy this. It's kind of a cool activity. If you do ask your parents, you are able to download it, but it does cost something. So that's why we're just going to screen capture this and share what you've created. And hopefully that will be a fun little activity. I can't wait to see what you create and what you write for this. Make sure you spell things correctly and so that it looks amazing. Once you're finished with this and you go to Screencastify, once you click Screencastify to stop it, in order to use it, you can share the link with me. If you decide to put it in Adobe Spark, you do have to download the MP4 of it. That MP4 is easily moved into your into Adobe Spark so that you can edit it. If you just have the link, it will not work. So just a reminder for that. Have fun with that. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you create.